Okay, this is the Chapter 6 Programming Projects. To start out, I believe this is the carpet calculator. Has 3 parts to it. These are my classes. And the program itself. As you enter the length of the room and the width of the room, and it gives you the dimensions. Length was 8, width was 9. It gives you the area total of it, which was 72. The total cost, which is $576. Okay, and then down to geometry calculator. This was my class that has the methods and the formulas that were needed to be used for each. Then the main one. Made it to where if they try to pick a number that's less than 1 or more than 4, that it sends back an error and tells them to try again. And then this is my menu parts for what they picked, as well as using the methods from the classes. And if they choose the last one, it just sends a message telling them that it's quitting the program. Let's run it. There's my menu. Pick the choice, circle, radius of your circle, 45, and then it gives you the area, which is that thing. Again, let's try -1 this time. Or a 0, or a 9. So the 2, so the width of your rectangle, 7. 5. So the area is 35. Do 3 this time. Length of the triangle's base. The height of it gives you the area, which is 67.5. 4. It just says he's quitting it and end the program. Go down to the heads or tails game. Close some of these out. Coin class, game itself, and the player class to hold the scores and add or subtract from said player score. Coin class that flips the coin and does the random flip of it and tells you what it is. We've got our variables to hold everything. It tells you what the side up is for the guess. Then it adds 1 to it if you're correct, or subtracts 1 if you're wrong. Does that for both players until one person gets 5 points. And that gives you a message that you win. This one's kind of a long one though, because it's kind of hard to guess enough to get to 5, at least every time I've tried it. So there, it added 1 because player 1 got 1 correct, player 2 did not, so he unfortunately went to -1. And it's subtracted from player 1's, subtracted from player 2, and you got that one right. And I'm wrong. Wrong. Probably easier for the well, that's the gist of it. And I think that was it for chapter 6.